Use Everlast 2-piece T-Moulding for the following applications. Courses of Everlast lap siding that will exceed 60 feet in length must be divided into shorter runs of 60 feet or less to better control siding expansion and contraction. Use the Everlast 2-piece T-Moulding as an expansion joint to accomplish this. To install, prior to the installation of siding, locate an ideal position for the expansion joint, ensuring that courses greater than 60 feet in length are eliminated. Align the receiver with a plumb line and, using the nailing slots, fasten the receiver to the wall every 12 inches or less. Next, install lap siding planks according to the Everlast Lap Siding Installation Guide. To avoid siding failure, at all termination points, leave a 1/4 inch gap. This includes on both sides of the receiver channel. To prevent the trim cover from sliding downward, install a fastener into the wall. This fastener should project 1/2 inch from the wall and penetrate into the wall 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Then, notch out the male leg of the cover based upon where you want the bottom edge of the cover to terminate. Finally, install the trim cover firmly into the receiver. Join trim covers together using PVC trim joint adhesive. Use 2-piece T-Moulding where Everlast lap siding transitions to Everlast board and batten siding, or when transitioning board and batten to board and batten panels. To install, prior to the installation of siding, position the receiver level at the point of transition and with the nailing hem pointed up. Using the nailing slots, fasten the receiver to the wall every 12 inches. To guard against water penetration, install adhesive flashing tape along the nailing hem just as you would around doors and windows, ensuring that fasteners are covered. Then, install Everlast lap siding planks and board and batten panels according to Everlast installation guides, providing required gapping at all termination points to avoid siding failure. Finally, install the trim cover firmly into the receiver. Join trim covers together using PVC trim joint adhesive. For additional water management, you may also drill 3/16 to 1/8 inch weep holes through both the receiver and cover every 24 to 36 inches.